Good evening, Long Creek students and families. My name is Scott Schown. I am the fifth grade team lead this year. Welcome back. I'm going to turn it over to my teammates here in just a minute to let them introduce themselves as well. I am going to be teaching math and science to some of our fifth graders this year.
My name is Ms. Breckenridge, and I will be co-teaching with Mr. Shao, and I will be teaching literacy and social studies.
Good afternoon, Long Creek family. My name is Karine Brown-Williams, and I am a part of a three-person team. I will be teaching math to your fifth graders this year.
Hi, everyone. My name is Miss Judah. I am moving back up to fifth grade. In case you guys were wondering, you had me last year. I will be teaching science on a three-man team.
Good afternoon. My name is Lakeisha Jones. I will be teaching ELA, a part of the three-woman team. And I look forward to meeting your child this school year.
Okay, and Ms. Jones is also going to get us started with talking about our school hours this year.
Thanks, Mr. Shown. So to start off, our school day begins at 8 a.m. So our school hours are from 8 to 3 p.m. Drop off actually begins in the morning at 7:30. The doors do not open prior to 7:30. Please make sure that your child arrives ready every day and arrives on time.
If you're a new student to Long Creek, if you did not receive a supply list in the mail, that is available on the school's website. So you can go there to see the supplies that your child will need for fifth grade this year. You can also look on the school website for our dress code. In the past, we have been a uniform school. We are no longer a uniform school this year, but of course we still do have a dress code that we expect the students to follow. So please take a look at that on the school website. And Ms. Breckenridge, if you can talk to everyone real quick about masks.
All right, let's talk about masks and COVID. Right now, we are still in the middle of our pandemic, COVID, and our numbers in Mecklenburg County have begun to rise and are continuing to rise. So it is very important for us to make sure that we have our masks on, and not only is it on, it is on correctly. I know right now you see us at school and we have ours off, but we are in our classrooms by ourselves with our doors shut. So when you put your mask on, you need to make sure that your mask is able to cover, it's big enough to cover your nose and go up under your chin. So you're gonna wanna put it on your ears like this. One, wrap it around. Two, wrap it around. Pinch those little sides in like that, like, you know, you're trying to hold in a sneeze, and pull it up under here. You must have your mask on at all times. The only times you are allowed to have your mask off is when you are eating or drinking or outside. Remember to stay 3 feet away from your peers.
Thank you, Ms. Breckenridge. And Ms. Brown-Williams, if you could give the parents some of the transportation information we need them to know about.
Okay, family, the safety of your child is important to us, and it is also important to you. Therefore, we need to know how your child will be getting home on the first day of school and every day of school for this school year. Therefore, at Open House, we will be providing you with a form where we are going to document your child's mode of transportation, whether your child is a car rider or your child is a bus rider. If right now you don't know the bus that your child will be traveling on, we will send you to the correct person so that that information will be given to you. Also, if you need to change your child's mode of transportation, you must communicate that to your child's teacher through writing. So even if you call, a note or an email must be submitted to your child's teacher. Thank you.
Right, thank you. So yeah, very, very important that we make sure, sorry, my video cut out there, that we make sure that we know how your child is getting home on that first day. So that's job number one for parents, make sure we know how they're going home. And then finally, if Ms. Jones and Ms. Duda, I think they have some information about the packet of information forms that will be coming home with your child on Monday.
So be on the lookout for a packet that will come home with your child on Wednesday when they come home. And these forms need to be returned no later than Friday, August the 27th. So if you can make sure that they are complete and they're filled out, check front and back, and just make sure you get those back to your child's homeroom teacher by Friday, August 27th.
Inside that packet, you will find a new technology form. This form needs to be completed before your child is issued a school Chromebook. There will be occasions that your child will be able to bring their Chromebook home. So it is important that you read the form in its entirety and get it back to us.
Yeah, and there's also a blue card in there that we need filled out, and emergency transportation information and so forth. So there's a lot in there that you guys need to make sure you take a look at as soon as possible and get back to us by Friday, please. So I think that covers everything we need you guys to know here for these first few days. Again, welcome back. We're going to be really excited to have a full house this year, and looking forward to meeting everyone and teaching your children this year. So thank you. Have a great evening.
Bye.
Welcome
Thank you.
back. Bye.